Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Right here we have a Poulanpro chainsaw. We're going to show you guys how to start. So first you want to make sure your blade lock is pushed out. Then you're going to want to have your choke all the way out. Then you're going to prime it 10 times. Then you're going to want to pull it 5 times. Then you want to push it halfway. Then once that is pushed halfway in, you're going to start it. And once you start it, then you're going to release this. And then you're going to push the choke back in all the way. So we'll start it right here for you guys. Let it run for a little bit. Unlock it. That is how you start a